guys, I'm back here with another video, and this is part 2 of the fashion show. These are the 3 contestants left. The other 2 left because they're getting tired. And out is ... This is the Pari and Scorm crew.
And the best dressed.
Dee Dee is out. Dee.
Why is it awkward to listen to someone recording a video? I don't know. Hi, Queen Fox. Can I join the fashion show? Oh, maybe next round.
Yeah, maybe next one. I'll be posting only this one, though. So, yeah. Alright.
No, man.
It's just Red 3 Play versus Gaming Elf. Who will win?
Probably not me.
Next and last theme is
Bruh.
next and last theme
Oh no.
Flower.
Oh no. I am so upset. Bruh, first I sub for me because I got super annoyed with him. He's like, I'm subbing from you, and I'm like, oh
Did you
no,
see
see the theme? Sad.
Did you see the theme?
I lost the sub.
Did you see the theme?
What?
It's flowers.
Oh. I feel beautiful.
Yeah, Minty Bar, you can watch. You don't have to change a thing. The world can change your scars. Stars, you're beautiful. Stars, you're beautiful.
Yeah, tune the voice. I don't know why that just popped in my head all of a sudden. Stars, you're beautiful.
Who the flip was that?
Okay, I'll just unsub from all my accounts. I don't care. Bruh. Guys, watch my sub count go down. I don't really care. Sparky's just being like...
A poo-poo head right now.
Really annoying right now.
Alright.
Flower.
You're not...
Flower. Power. Yeah, flower. Power.
Watch his subs go down. He doesn't care.
Yeah, look. I'm subbed.
Gaming, you're not a flower. You're a flippin' elf.
I'm a flower now. You can't tell me what to do. I'm a flower.
Okay.
I'm a tiger, not a kitten. I'm a tiger.
He is a kitten.
I'm a tiger.
Out is...
No, I'm not done yet. Out
is...
I am a flower. Flower power.
Out is... this is actually quite hard. I wonder who's going to be out.
Bruh. Hide. Sparky.
Red 3 Play is out. Gaming Elf, you won! He's bowing right now. He's like, thank you. Now, your prize is a rare.
Yeah.
It's a rare. And you get a free Hot Pocket,
too. I
too.
don't give my email out. I want other people's email because I don't give my email out.
Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching this 2-part video. It took so long last video, so yeah. Props to you, all of you who got out. Good job for playing with us and for participating. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
Oh, dear.
Say bye.
Bye-bye. Sorry.